What's up everybody, it's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we're going to be talking about why Bronco Beach Bash OBX isn't just another event, it's an experience. And whether you're a first timer or a Bronco Beach Bash veteran, these are the details that you need to know.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops, let's go, go, go.
Bronco Beach Bash OBX is different from most off-road events. This one is less about competition and more about driving, community, and actually enjoying your Bronco on the beautiful shores of the OBX. You'll see everything from classic generation Broncos, Gen 6 Broncos, Bronco Sports, and yes, maybe even a few Bronco IIs. They range from completely stock to slightly modified to full long travel builds, and everybody runs together. It's not separated by build level, it's just about Broncos on the sand. And if you haven't registered yet, head on over to BroncoBeachBash.com and lock in your spot. I'll leave a link in the description. This event is completely family and pet friendly. Bring your kids, bring your spouse, bring your dog. Everyone is welcome. This community is about hanging out, beach cruising, and making memories, not just wheeling. And here's another important item. You only need one registration per vehicle, no matter how many passengers are riding with you. So whether it's you or your whole crew, one Bronco equals one registration. And if you're coming with a Bronco group or club, we do offer club parking per request. That way your Bronco club can park together. Just reach out and make a request to Brad Hoffman. And later in this video, I'll explain the one thing that almost every first timer does wrong during the beach drives that causes most people to get stuck. All right, before you load up and head out to the Outer Banks, these are the top 5 recommended items to bring to Bronco Beach Bash. Number 1, air down and air up equipment. You're driving on the sand, bring tire deflators, a good gauge, and an air compressor. Air down before you arrive to the beach cruise. This will save you valuable time when you arrive and give you plenty of time to chat and take some glamour shots of your Bronco on the beach. I'll leave some products below in the description that you can purchase if you don't have these already. Number 2, sun protection and comfort. Sunscreen, sunglasses, hats, shade, chairs, coolers, or maybe even a fridge. You're outside most of the day and the Outer Banks sun will cook you quick. Number 3, recovery gear. Even if you're stock, kinetic ropes, soft shackles, traction boards, sand can humble anybody. So it's better be prepared, better be safe than sorry. Number 4, a GMRS radio or handheld. This keeps the group tight, organized, and makes the beach runs way smoother. And number 5, a cleaning and prep kit. Microfibers, spray detailer, glass cleaner, tire shine. If you're doing the show and shine or just want your Bronco looking dialed in all weekend, bring it. Come prepared and you'll enjoy the event way more. The weekend kicks off Friday afternoon with packet pickup at Shipwreck's Tap House and Grill. You'll grab your credentials, your dash card, weekend schedule, and everything you need. This year, the pickup bags are brought to you by Rock Jock. During packet pickup, you'll have the option to purchase a game card to participate in the first annual First Light Diamond Shoals Poker Run, brought to you by Moreflate. This will take place all weekend long at your leisure at participating local businesses. It's a 5-card draw. You draw one custom Bronco Beach Bash card at each stop. Important part, all hands must be turned in by Sunday morning at 11:30 a.m. at Shipwrecks. Hard stop. Friday night is our kickoff party called Mutiny at Shipwrecks, our pirate-themed costume contest. Decorated Broncos, themed outfits, prizes for best overall, best theme, and decorated rig. It's laid back, but it sets the tone for the entire weekend. Now this is the part that most people come for, the beach driving. For Saturday and Sunday mornings, we're staging at Coquina Beach Parking Lot, ramp number 2. The cruise itself runs about 2.5 miles to the Cape Hatteras National Seashore, and then we travel south towards Oregon Inlet, ramp number 4, and exit there. Now this will be a little different than last year. The change removes the bottleneck, keeps things smoother, and makes ramp access easier for first-timers and stock vehicles while still being a great experience for fully built Broncos. Now remember this, because this is important. If you want to enjoy the beach cruise, you do need a Cape Hatteras National Seashore ORV permit. 10-day permits are $50, annual permits are $120, and you can find them in the link below. I recommend getting there around 6:30 to 6:45. We usually roll out around 7:30 a.m. or so, and you want to catch that early morning sunrise. Now to help yourself out, air down before arriving at Coquina Beach. Recommended PSI is around 18 to 22 PSI. If you stay aired up, the Bronco digs instead of floats, and that's what gets you stuck. Sand is about flotation, not traction. You'll be perfectly fine running around town all weekend on that air pressure, so there's no need to air up, air down after every cruise. Now after the cruise, you're free to relax on the beach, go explore, or eat breakfast nearby. And now we'll dig into the common first-timer mistakes. Number 1, not airing down enough. This is where first-timers make their biggest mistake. This will make tires dig, and that's when people get stuck. Remember, smooth throttle, steady momentum, and stay in existing tracks when possible. Number 2, overpacking. Remember, extra weight makes sand driving harder. Why bring more sand to the beach? There's plenty of seashore for everyone. Number 3, not being in four-wheel drive. You laugh, but I've seen it happen. Remember, your Bronco has GOAT modes. I would suggest selecting sand mode. This automatically puts the Bronco into four-wheel high and adjusts throttle and shifting for sand driving. And pro tip, I recommend turning off advanced track. This prevents the system from cutting engine power and braking when the wheels slip. On full-size Broncos, you can do that by holding the hero switch button on the far right and then hold that on the dash for about 7 seconds. Now, if you're driving a Bronco Sport, it's going to be a little different. That setting is typically near your GOAT mode dial on your center console, and on Big Bend, Outer Banks, and base models, you can also access it through your infotainment screen under the driver assistance settings. Number 4, showing up late. You don't want to miss your Bronco's drone cameo for Saturday's after movie, right? So remember, early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the best spot on the beach for the cruise. And number 5, sticking only with your own group. The Bronco community at this event is extremely welcoming. Walk around, check out everyone else's build, shop the vendors, talk to people. Have a question? Don't be scared to ask someone. Bronco owners love talking about their rides. Also, if you don't want to drive your own Bronco on the beach, hitch a ride if you get a chance. Why not? And once the morning cruise wraps up, Saturday shifts into the main event. Saturday is our core on-site day. After the morning cruise, everything centers around shipwrecks from around 11 to 4:30. And this is where the Black Flag Show and Shine happens. We'll have professional judges on site with multiple categories and awards. And during that time, you have vendors set up all afternoon. Companies like Mountains to Metal, Broncover, Resin by Jess, Freedom Flyer, Grow Coffee, and more. And this is when people really start planning their next item on their build. You get to see things in person, ask real questions, and compare setups side by side. And if you get hungry from all the walking around and enjoying everything the vendors had to offer, remember, Suey's Barbecue will be there on site, and Shipwrecks is fully open during the entire event. And remember, your event badge gets you 10% off of food and drinks. Also coming back again this year is Bubba's 33. They're going to be back with their Bronco Beach Bash Bronco Booty Swap. And if you're wondering what a Bronco Booty Swap is, it's a patch swapping event. So bring your best custom patches and swap them with everyone else. Saturday evening, everyone heads back to Shipwrecks, where there's live music and the exclusive after movie that's shown on all the screens inside the restaurant. Once the movie's over, we roll into one of the new highlights for this year, the Queen Anne's Revenge Bronco LED Light Show. I'm super excited about this. There'll be awards given for the best lit Broncos. The music will be turned up, lights rolling, high energy, and I want to see everyone out there dancing their butts off. And if all that excitement wasn't enough, after that, the official after party continues at 1903 Bar and Kitchen, where your badge will be good for 10% off of food and drinks. Now Sunday, on the other hand, that has a completely different vibe. Sunday morning starts with the beach cruise. After the Sunday morning beach cruise, we introduce the optional off-road excursion, the Alligator Scallywag Scramble. Now this is a real excursion. It's about 40 minutes or so each way to the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge. Now this is a scenic gravel road tour and peaceful drive through the wildlife refuge, where you might end up seeing the rare red wolf, maybe a coyote, deer, fox, or maybe even a black bear. Plus, as an optional bonus, there's going to be additional driving inside the park to reach the off-road section led by Captain Steve Drew of Virginia Area Broncos. Now the off-road portion is an extremely muddy trail, so if you don't want a muddy Bronco, don't go for it. It's optional. So if you want more driving, go. If you'd rather hang back, relax, grab food, whatever, that works too. And Sunday afternoon, we wrap things up back at the event site for the Mud and Glory send-off. There'll be awards including the muddiest Bronco. And yes, mud on the occupants might earn bonus points. After that, we'll announce the winner for the Diamond Shoals Poker Run. Then after that, we officially wrap up the weekend. We'll have raffle winners and final announcements. And if you're coming to Bronco Beach Bash OBX this year, drop a comment below and let me know what you're driving and if it's your first time or not. And remember, you can purchase your exclusive Bronco Beach Bash Destination Bigfoot Bronco collab merch at destinationbigfootbronco.com. I'll leave that in the description below. And if you want more Bronco builds, installs, and real off-road content, subscribe and I'll see you on the beach. Remember, when one road ends, the next destination begins. Peace.